Hey everyone, it's Allison. I wanted to jump in here and show you this cool little feature in Canva. And I'm really excited about it because it's new. I hadn't seen it before. And Canva is always rolling out something really new and exciting. The last feature was this animate feature right here, where you could click in and the words and the images could stomp or look kind of neon or pop in like a scrapbook. Really, really cool. But that's not what I'm here for today. I just want to show you that. But today, it's really cool. So I saw this effects button. I'm like, wait. What is that? So this is a template. I started it on my phone, but these effects are not on mobile yet. So I was going to do that on mobile, but it's not there yet. But I popped in my photo here from my phone, and then I opened it up on my laptop. So it's really easy to transition. So I didn't need to send my picture over to my laptop and upload it there. It just was automatically there. So that's cool in itself. Okay, really cool it is. I did this talk last week with another women entrepreneur, Zen, and Zenaida and I were talking about text, and she was talking about how to create an effect to the text where there's a background shadow. And so here it is, drum roll please, effects. You could go into effects and you could drop shadow, and you can offset, you could change the offset slightly by this particular slider tool here. So that is amazing. You could change direction. So the light shining on the text could be in different positions. You could blur for sure. Is that like not amazing or what? And you can change the transparency. So I think, it was amazing to figure this out, because what we had to do before is we had to set everything up and then export it, import it as a transparent PNG. And then once you do that, then you could work with the text and drop a shadow behind it and that sort of thing. And that was if you wanted to save it, kind of like a logo. You wanted to reuse it over and over again. But this way you could just insert it and it's done in like 2 clicks. So I thought that was really great. So you have none, you have a neon effect, you have a glitch effect. Now it's not animated here, but it certainly gives the idea of glitch. You have echo, splice, so that's kind of cool. You have a couple of different ways of doing it there. But right, the one we were talking about the other day was shadow, and I just think that's super amazing that effects are already there. All right. So anyway, that's what I wanted to show you in today's video, and hope you are having a fantastic day. And we'll talk soon.